Today I'd like to demo the new Mercury 150 4-stroke. This motor is in its second year of production, and it had a phenomenal sales last year in its debut year. Today I want to start it and show you the troll control. So we'll go over here, hit the key. That's a fuel pump you hear, and it stops. I'm going to set the camera down because I want to shift it in gear. Okay. See it right now it's at idle. And oil pressure is around 40. And you can see it has an analog gauge here. Now I'll just go through the different programs. There's your percentage of your trim. That's a sensor. It's an optional sensor. Show your trim position. Right there is your RPMs. The next screen, water pressure, 4.3. That's an optional sensor. I put that on this motor. And the next screen, that's a full value of your water pressure coming out of your pitot. Here's your voltage. And there's your hours on the motor. This motor comes from the factory pre-tested with 0.4 testing on it, 0.4 of an hour. And so far we've used 0.1 gallons of gas. And over here the fuel burn is around 0.7 to 0.6. There's your RPMs. And back to our voltage screen. And your percentage trim in a full scale. And this also is your gas. And you need an optional sender for this to give you a percentage. And there's the temperature of your engine. And this will probably settle around 120 when it's warmed up. We just turned it on. And we're back to our oil pressure. So to turn on this troll control gauge, you see the plus minus here? You hit the plus, your right side is what you're setting at. There's at a minimum of 550, and around 650 is your idle. So I'm going to start at 7. You go over here and hit mode, it'll turn it on. And this, I'll go ahead and, try it again. So hit mode, now it's turned on. So you hear the engine pick up. So here I am increasing the speed, 820 RPMs, it'll go up to 1,000. It's getting pretty frothy in there. Now I'll back it down. And what it does is it just matches the computer right here. That's the actual running time there. And then I can slow it all the way down. Here's 600. All the way down to 550. And I'll kick it back up. So back to about idle, like 650. And that's it. Great for trolling, controlling your speed. And today's demo's done.